Hello everyone, and again welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is we will continue the another fives. Okay, the another five of my Pokemon cards unboxing or unpacking. So as you can see the previews, okay, you can see the Sylveon. Okay, I think okay, yes, two Sylveon that I've got, and also I got some a Mew and a Leopard. So today let's gonna go and pick again another pull up for a new for a new set of Pokemon cards here in my channel. So let's go. So here we are. So let's have there are five again. So the last five. So this is the part of the continuation of my previous vlog. So which one I'm gonna start? So okay, there it goes. Let's gonna start with the Genesect. So okay, I am not expecting a Charizard, so it's because this is a sword and shield, brilliant star, I think so. It's the English. Okay, this is the English. This is the Mexican. Okay, this is the Mexican. Okay, this is the Mexican over here, and then okay, what is this? Oh, okay, here it goes. Some cards that in a reverse. So again, another Grapplot, a Jupiter, a Simisear, and a Pikachu, a Shimin, Morpeko, Centiskorch, Dracloak, another Bolton again. So I have many like this one, V and V Max, Toxtricity, also Probably Snow, and another Greninja, Phalanx, Araquanid, Rockidee, okay, Rockidee, and Bolton, Melmetal, Pangoro, Hitmore, Sigilyph, Grident VMAX. Okay, there we go. And also a Shamin, V-Star, and a Gengar V, another Frostmoth, Crabominable, Phalanx, another legendary Virizion. So and Howlucha. So wonder what is this one. Okay, okay, oops, it's a Crabominable. Yes, look at that. So alright, so that was the pick for the day. Crabominable. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to file this up, and then another Shaman again. So there's a lot of Shaman. Okay, the next one is just gonna open this up. Okay, just gonna open this one. So there you go. Okay, and this one right here is because as you can see, the color is not is different from the others. Okay, and a Phalanx, yes, another version, Howlucha, Cinderace, Corviknight, Yveltal, legendary, and an Oricorio, and Saticast, Cinderace, Luxray, Dodrio, Shuttle, Grident, Bolton, Phantom, Corviknight, Corvisquire, Tyranitar, Luxray again, Impinem, Sizzlipede, Palosan, and a Mew. So a Rotom, a Celebi, okay, Dreadnought, a Breloom, okay, Beware, and a Trevenant. So wonder what is this. Okay, Bolton V. So let's check below what is this one. Oops, hey, an electric, okay, water is a very Inteleon. Okay, I thought it was a Vaporeon, so it's an Inteleon. Look at that. So nice hollow. Okay, so that is the one, and then we're gonna file this up again. Okay, and then let's gonna go to this I'm gonna go to this his way and ground it. Okay, and this his way and ground it. Okay, here it goes. And this one right here, and then here it goes, another dreadnought. Abrilum, Beware, Revenant, Bolton, Genesec. Okay, Q-Font, Morgram, Sislipid, Indidi, Mew, Taxel, Charina, Arokuda, Appleton, Semiseer, and what is this one? It's a Graven, a Dabul. Okay, Dabul. And Alucario, Togedivaro, Brimsnarl, Centiscorch, VP, and a Mew VMAX. So we're gonna put that right here also, and then a Toxtricity, a Chandler, Barascuda, Mew, and what is this? Okay, what is this? Okay, let's gonna have to put this one, and then it's gonna show it's a Graplack. So it's a Graplack. Okay, let's gonna pull it up. Oh, okay. Okay, what is this one? Okay, what is this? It's a green. Okay, a green one. Oops. Whoa. Okay, it's a Charina. Not bad, not bad. Okay, not bad. So it's a Charina V, basic hollow. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's go to the next. That was the Hisuian grounded. Okay, so and then when I saw the boxes today, it's still the same. When I bought this card, it's still the same, but as you can see, this is the sword in shield, brilliant star, I think, star brilliant. Okay, there it goes, and then let's gonna pull this up. Okay, another Araquanid, Rockidee, a Boltand, Melmetal, Pagoro, Hitmore, Sigilif. Okay, breeding VMAX again. Okay, sorry for that. Gengar, a Frostmoth, Abominable, Phalanx, and then what is this one? Verishu, legendary. Okay, and Howlucha, Cinderace, Corviknight, Yveltal, legendary. So Arcorio, Sandigast, Cinderace, Luxray again, Dodrio. Okay, Chutol, Grident. Okay, a Gradient, a Bolton, Phantom and Cobra Squire, and what is this one? What is this? Oh, God. It's a Abominable again. So okay, this is gonna go to the last one. Okay, this is gonna go to the last one. So there's no interesting hollow. Okay, right here. Why? Okay, that was the last one. And okay. Okay, I don't know what is this. Okay, I don't know what is this. Okay, let's go. A Jupiter, Simiser, Pikachu. Okay, a Shamin, Morpeko, Centiscorch, Draclo, Boltan, VMAX, Toxtricity, Abominable, Snom, Green Ninja. Okay, Phalanx, Araquanid, Rockidee, Boltan, Melmetal, Pangoro, Hitmore, Sigilip, Gradient VMAX, Shamin, Gengar, Frostmoth, Crabominable, Phalanx, Howlucha, Cinderace. And what is this one? What is this one? Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's check it. Oh, yes, Alifion. Yes, Alifion. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna check. Okay, there it goes. I have Alifion. So, Alifion. I have Alifion. Flareon, a Vaporeon, and a two Sylveon, VMAX and a V. Will you look at that? Wow. Yes. Oh. Come on. Yes. You look at that. Alifion. So my favorite Pokemon in Pokemon Unite. So I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that license in the Pokemon Unite. So will you look at that? Oh, interesting fact. Okay, interesting. So, evolutions. Here we go. So, okay, there it goes. Evolutions V. Okay, the V. So let's gonna the V Max over there, and look at that. It's the evolutions trading card. Leafeon, Flareon, Vaporeon, and the Sylveon, the Hollow. Oh, amazing pick. Okay, that was the last pick. Okay, that was the last pick of the evolutions, the Leafeon. So I already have the Leafeon, Flareon, Vaporeon, and Sylveon. So I think I don't have the Espeon, the Umbreon, and also the Glaceon. So 3 more to go. Okay, 3 more to go. Okay, 3 more to go. Evolutions. So okay, vlog, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and click that notification bell. So here it goes. I have the Crabominable Hollow, and also the Charina Hollow. Okay, and also the Inteleon Hollow again. Okay, and also the another Crabominable again. So didn't expect the Leafeon. I didn't expect the Leafeon. Okay, so here it goes, the evolutions. So here it goes, the evolutions. Okay, okay, there is the evolutions right there. Okay, there's a very rare card. Okay, a very rare card if you look at that. So okay, this one. Oh, nice. Okay, that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unpacking of Pokemon cards. If you are a Pokemon, if you are a Pokemon fanatic, okay, don't forget to subscribe, because I will be making more Pokemon vlogs here in my channel, and also Hot Wheel cars and retro toys and everything, and sugar, spice, and everything nice. Okay, so that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and